Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hadif, and I will be showing on how to create a water pump project using TIA. So first, we need to create a new project. Let's name it water pump, and then save it wherever we want. Okay, segment part 1. Then we create the project. So after create project, we need to configure a device, add new device, which PLC we want to use. I will be using Symmetric 1511 because my driver PLC sim is using 1511. Then we add the PLC. So at first it will show here the PLC configuration. Then we have to add input, and then we have to put output, and lastly we have to put the power supply. Okay, so after we have completed this, we have to compile all this, and then after it's done, we have to go to PLC text and create a new table for the input. So the first one will be pull low level switch. Okay, and then number 2 we put tank low level switch for the tank, and then the third input we put tank high level switch. And the last one is the motor pump for the output. So I will change to Q because it is the output, and change to 0. Okay, now I have the table. It's easier to make the ladder diagram. Okay, so for the motor pump, we'll be using SR, which is set reset, and we prioritize on the reset, so it can reset the motor pump. So first we put the close contact for the tank low level switch, and then over here we put open contact for tank high level switch, and then last one we will put the bottom one, the pull low level switch. Okay, so from here put a motor pump. Okay, so next let's simulate the program at the button here. First we have to wait until the PLC is turned on. Okay, now it's turned on, then we can start search the module. So we have here, and then we just load the module. Just don't change anything and load, and then we change to start module and finish. Okay, now it is currently running, but we want to change the value of the input, and we want to control the input value. So we click over here just now, project view. Okay, then we create a new project for the simulation. And then over here we have 3 folder, but we choose the simulation tables and simulation table 1. Okay, and then we load the project text from the programming. Okay, so here we can control the value. Now it is false, and currently if we see from this programming, from the ladder diagram, tank low level is always running, means it constantly detect the waters, mean there's there is a water in the tank at the low level, but it is not a high level yet. So let's assume we have a water at the pool, so we change into true. Now let imagine currently the motor is pumping the water into the tank, and yeah, it still detect water because the water is there, but it's not on the high level switch yet. And then let's say the motor has pumped the water enough inside the tank until it reached the high level switch. So when the high level switch is triggered, the motor pump will stop pumping the water into the tank because it is already full. And then let's say the pool does not have water. The motor cannot pump the water because the pool is does not have enough water to supply the water into the tank, even though the high level is not achieved yet, because this is like the master the pool of the water to supply into the tank. And when there's a water in the pool, then the motor can pump the water into the tank. So that's all for the simulation of the water pump using TIA, and thank you.